Hi, my name is Matthew Becker. I'm here to shed light on a major threat to the biosphere and conservation biology, overharvesting. Overharvesting includes targeted hunting, gathering, or fishing for particular species to the extent that the species has a hard time recovering and many ill effects are felt, even extinction. This stems from many factors including large increases in human population, expanding markets, increasing demand, and improved access and techniques for capture. Overharvesting natural resources for long periods depletes the Earth's resources to a dangerous low. This activity is one of 5 primary activities that threaten global diversity. Overharvesting affects all resources, but aquatic species are especially threatened by this activity. Cascade effects, where an apex predator numbers are reduced and the prey overpopulates and overexploits their own resources, along with tragedy of the commons, where no harvester slows down on exploiting the area because it is not theirs. Those both have dramatic effects on the aquatic community. Aquatic life suffers greatly at the hands of overharvesting. For example, the cod fishery in the northwestern Atlantic Ocean was a vitally important commercial fishery for hundreds of years, but during the post-World War II period, technological developments such as larger nets, refrigeration, sonar, and onboard processing put such a pressure on the species in such a short period of time that the species still hasn't recovered, and researchers speculate it still may never. Researchers are also finding that overfishing may diminish genetic diversity. It appears that marine species usually produce smaller numbers that offspring will survive. As overharvesting increases, fish population declines, and the number of capable breeders may dip so low that they aren't able to sustain genetic diversity. These are only a few of the problems associated with overharvesting. My goal is to just bring awareness to the situation and to encourage the following the guidelines set in place by the federal government to quell this tragedy. I encourage everyone from a local small-time harvester to a 10,000 employee company to keep conservation in mind and follow the rules that are in place. I also encourage stricter rules and regulations to be set in place to save the earth from overexploitation of its beautiful resources. I always refer to a favorite quote of mine from Aldo Leopold. The last word in ignorance is the man who says of an animal and planet, "What good is it?"